Thank you for joining us. I'm Zach London with FNN News. For so many of us, it's been a long year in quarantine, so you might be in the mood for a compliment. Well, it's your lucky day. To teach us about World Compliment Day, here is Isabella.
Hi Falcons, I'm Isabella Rivera, and today I'm going to be talking about World Compliment Day. World Compliment Day is celebrated on March 1st to spread joy through simple verbal affirmations of appreciation. This day is supposed to spread joy and positivity without focusing too much on materialistic representation of appreciation. There are many compliments that you can give someone. Even the simplest things can make someone's day happier. Saying something nice to someone can mean so much to them and you didn't even know it had that impact on them. Maybe they're having a bad day and even though you didn't even know, you said something nice to them because you wanted to be nice. And that just made their day way much better than before. World Compliment Day started in the Netherlands by Hans Poortvliet in 2001 and now is celebrated in many European countries. Poortvliet created the day as a way to spread happiness and increase productivity. The day encourages people to use words instead of gifts as a way to praise and appreciate others. As it said on the National Today website, if on March 1st, every person pays at least 3 people in their environment a genuine and sincere compliment, will definitely make the most positive day in the world. World Compliment Day is a really important day because everybody likes to feel appreciated. And doesn't it feel nice to know that you made someone's day way better by just saying something nice to them? I think that's pretty cool. So make sure that on March 1st, you say something nice to as many people as you can. Bye!
Wow, that was so sweet. But you know what's also sweet? Our FCMS teachers, who, by the way, love to dance. Now, you can see our teachers dance night away with Fabi.
Students, teachers, can you dance?
Of course.
Yes.
Of course they can.
Of course.
Yeah!
Dance? Yes. This is Fabiana with FNN News.
Wow, that was hilarious. But if you're not already on the floor laughing, here's Isaiah with chicken jokes.
Why did the chicken cross the road? It's the question that we've been asking ourselves our entire lives. But why did we ever start asking this question in the first place? When did this question originate and where did it come from? Why did the chicken cross the road? To answer this question, we have to go back to the year 1847. A New York City magazine titled The Knickerbocker used the quip in one of its issues to seem like a riddle, despite the fact that it is extremely straightforward and very, very, very unfunny.
You could say that the joke got its popularity just because of how terrible and unfunny it is.
Matter of fact, some people even felt the need to try to make the joke funny by making both their own answers and just completely altering the joke to their liking.
Speaking of which, we actually have some jokes prepared for this. Fair warning though, these are so bad that it's gonna hurt, okay? That's all I'm gonna say.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To buck traffic. Why did the pillow cross the road? It was picking up the chicken's feathers. Why did the chicken family cross the road? They thought it was an excellent idea. Why did the sheep cross the road?
Minecraft.
To get to the
I like
barber
it,
shop
Cookie.
for a haircut. Why did the chicken stop crossing the road? He got tired of everyone making so many jokes. Just like me.
Alright, well, that's our segment. See ya.
Cheerio.
Those were great. Thank you. Now to get you pumped up and in a good mood, here's Bella with Quarantine.
Good morning, Talking Cove. I'm Bella Castellino, back with this week's segment of Top 5 Porn Tunes. Let's get started. At the bottom of the list, we have The Weeknd with Blinding Lights. At number 4, we have 3435 by Ariana Grande. At number 3, we have Go Crazy by Chris Brown featuring Young Thug. At number 2, we have Up by Cardi B. And at number 1, someone who's definitely earned her way up there, we have Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo. That's all for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's segment of Quarantines, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!
Wow. Thank you, Bella. You know, I think I heard some of those songs on TikTok or Instagram. I don't know, but we'll find out which app is better with Domenica.
What's up, Falcons? Do you guys like TikTok or Instagram? I know I do. But have you ever thought about which one might be more popular at the moment? TikTok versus Instagram, the ultimate battle of the socials. Which one will win? Let's see.
I think TikTok is better than Instagram because it's more fun and it holds my attention span.
Between Instagram and TikTok, I prefer TikTok mainly because of how simple and usable it is. Instagram, to be honest, for me, I don't use it much, and for the little amount that I have used, it's a little complex. So, yeah.
In my opinion, TikTok is better than Instagram from its unique way of forcing the creators to make their content less than a minute long, which is pretty exciting.
I prefer TikTok because it has an endless reel of content that I can look at through the For You page, and it also has very interesting content so that I'm always entertained.
Well, that's all, folks. Let us know which one you think deserved to win. For FNN News, I'm Domenica Jaramillo.
Thank you, Domenica. Which app do you guys think is better? Well, all this hosting's made me really hungry, and I could go for something sweet. Lucky for me, our next segment is about a tasty treat called Crepe.
Bonjour Falcon Cove. Today I will be teaching you how to make French crepes. Just make sure you have your parents' permission to do this. First, you're going to need a large bowl and a stand mixer or a hand mixer. First, you're going to add 250 grams of flour or 16 cups of flour into the large bowl. After that, you are going to add 4 eggs to it. After adding the 4 eggs, you're going to mix it all together with this mixer. You should get this paste that's yellow and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. After you have your paste and it's nice and firm, add 500 millimeters of milk or 2 cups and a half of milk. Start blending it until you have this nice liquidy paste. You're going to heat up a pan and then you're going to add butter to it to make sure that the crepe doesn't stick. Once the butter is melted, you pour the mixture onto the crepe and then flip it when one side of it is ready. You should have a nice looking crepe. J'espère que vous avez bien aimé ce segment. À bientôt. For FNN News, I'm Tia Puteri.
Delicious. Well, I've been Zach Lemon with FNN News. And remember, stay classy, Falcon Cove.